Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Discord password tested method step by step clearly. To reset your Discord password, start by opening the Discord app or website. On the login screen, locate and click on the Forgot Your Password link. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your account. Type in your email address carefully and click on the Reset Password button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Discord. If you don't see it in your inbox, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the password reset link provided. Click the link, which will take you to a new password creation page. Enter your new password in the specified field. Make sure your new password meets all the required criteria. Confirm your new password by entering it a second time. Once both entries match, click on the Change Password button. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully changed. Now, return to the Discord login screen. Enter your email address and your new password. Click the Login button to access your account. You have successfully reset your Discord password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.